Hey, Coach Greg here with Vault Training, and today is day 5 of our 10-day total body fat burn challenge. Today we have a low impact full body workout for you, so let's get started. Overhead side bends, 3, 2, 1, go. Get yourself in a nice wide base, feet well past shoulder width apart. We are then alternating between bringing one arm overhead, really stretching out our side body, getting ourselves to the upright position, and then doing the other side. This is a great full body stretch and exercise, and just by turning up the tempo a little bit, you are going to get your sweat on. Bicycles, 3, 2, 1, go. This is one of my favorite standing core exercises. Stand up nice and tall, hands behind the head. You're bringing one knee up and seeing if you can get your opposite elbow to meet it, and then do it on the other side. Don't know why it's called bicycles, because it would be really weird if you're riding a bicycle like this, but hey, it's very effective. You're burning fat, your core is getting nice and toned, so let's have fun with it. Toe touches, 3, 2, 1, go. Stand up nice and tall, and we are alternating between touching our toes. So really focus on hinging from your hips, seeing if you can get a flat back, but the emphasis is more on getting that stretch in the back of your legs and hinging right back up with your hip flexors. This is a good one. Go as slow or as fast as you'd like, but really focus on being intentional of reaching the ground. Trunk twists, 3, 2, 1, go. Start off with a strong, stable base. I like to screw my feet into the ground. My knees are slightly bent, core is tight, elbows up to 90-degree angle, and I'm really just trying to focus on seeing if I can get my elbow completely behind me. We are focusing on that torquing movement, working out our obliques and our midsection. This is a fun one. Go slow with it, especially for this first set, but then you can always speed it up as you get more comfortable with the movement. Great job, 1 set down, 2 more to go. Grab some water if you need to, but if not, let's jump into the second set starting right now. Overhead side bends, 3, 2, 1, go. Bicycles, 3, 2, 1, go. Toe touches, 3, 2, 1, go. Trunk twists, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. 2 sets down, 1 more to go. Again, grab water if you want, pause and start as often as you need, but if not, come on, let's finish strong with this last set. Overhead side bends, 3, 2, 1, go. Bicycles, 3, 2, 1, go. Toe touches, 3, 2, 1, go. Trunk twists, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, give yourself one of these and one of these. You earned it. That is day 5. We were halfway done with this 10-day total body fat burn challenge. Hopefully you're seeing some great results. If you are posting on social media, use the hashtag #SvelteChallenges so that we know who's doing what. We can celebrate with y'all, encourage y'all along the way. Without further ado, tune in tomorrow with Coach Gabby. She has another amazing workout for day 6. I will see you soon. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.